This video is an introduction to writing the review of related literature. Hi, I'm Miss Pauline, here to guide you as you work on and write your research. So what is a review of related literature? To begin with, let's look at three key words: literature, review, and related. Literature in this context refers to the collection of writings on a particular subject. Nowadays, since various media are accessible, it could also include oral works such as recorded lectures or TED Talks. To review is to view, examine, or study again so as to give a critical evaluation of something, let's say a literary work or a play. Reviewing literature entails reading, viewing, or listening intently with the purpose of examining for valuable information and finding its connection to the research topic. The word related means connected, associated, or linked. A literature review is a comprehensive summary of previous research on a topic. It may include scholarly articles, books, and other sources. That sounds like a tall order, doesn't it? And you may be asking, do we really need to do this? The answer is yes. Why is a literature review so important? Let me give you a few reasons. First, a literature review provides information about the topic of interest. This information is valuable when writing the justification and background of the study. Let's work on a sample research problem. What does playing video games do to the younger generation's health? As you read literature related to this topic, you can already find out that playing video games does affect the health of gamers and is a concern for many parents. Second, a literature review also helps the researcher understand the various aspects and perspectives of the topic. Reading across literature, you'll find out that the effects of playing video games could be physical, mental, or social, and that these effects could vary depending on the age groups. So you see, a careful examination of literature reveals what is already known about the topic. At the same time, it helps the researcher identify what is yet unknown. That is, the research gap. The researcher then can focus on finding out new information to contribute to the existing body of knowledge. As you realize that literature on the benefits of certain types of video games are scarce, you may choose to concentrate on that topic. A careful evaluation of existing literature could also confirm or disprove previous findings. Remember Pluto? Hence, a researcher may focus on confirming or disproving some particular effects of playing video games to the social health of teens. As you compare related literature, it's good to look at the methodological approaches. Do previous researchers with varying methodological approaches agree on the same findings? Reviewing methodological approaches also helps you decide on the most appropriate design and method to use for your research. On top of all that, a literature review provides the framework for the research and helps the researcher formulate hypotheses and research questions. Plus, it also provides a definition for the key terms to be used in the study. Nice! To gauge your understanding of the details presented in this video, take the quiz that follows. Number 1. Which would you least consider for a review of related literature? A research journal article? A magazine feature article? A cartoon strip from a newspaper? Or your friend's thesis? Right, a cartoon strip from a newspaper. Number 2. Which is not a reason for reviewing related literature? To get information for the background of the study? To copy the research questions? To identify the research gap? or to compare research findings? Of course, B. We should not merely copy from literature reviewed. Number 3. When reviewing related literature, which would you not need to do? Read or view content intently, take notes, find connections, or none of the above? Yes, D. Because as you do your review of related literature, you need to read, take notes, and find connections. If any part of this video was not clear to you, you may go back and review. For further questions, comment down below. If you're confident that you understand what a review of related literature is and why it's necessary, then you're ready to move on to the steps in writing a good literature review. See ya!